Hello student, in this tutorial we are going to discuss website designing tools. Second, what is HTML element, tag and attribute. Next we have HTML elements and fourth we have a HTML document structure, and last we have a quiz. Website designing tool. So you know, basically we can design website with the help of software. See here, with the help of software and using number of languages. Like here, this car is developed with the help of these tools. In the same way, we have a number of ready-made softwares which help us to design soft softwares, mean to say your website. Like we have a Dreamweaver, we have a Flash, and MS Publisher. I think you all are familiar with your MS Publisher. I give you one demonstration. Like go to Start, click All Programs, and search for Microsoft Office. Yeah, it is Microsoft Office. Open up your MS Publisher. Next, go to Website, and there you will see number of templates. I think you all know what is a template. Templates are a ready-made designed software in all the applications. Like in MS Word, in MS PowerPoint, we have a number of top templates. So select any template and click Create button and see your website's first page is ready. Now it asks you your site's goal. What is your goal? Just click over number of options and press OK. And it takes hardly few seconds to make your website ready. Now see, your website has 12 pages. Now we go to File and select Web Page Preview. Again, it will take few seconds to make your website professional website. Now, so you click over any tag, you will see it will give you professional website experience. Now you understood how we can design website with the help of software. Now we don't need these things. Now second is with the help of softwares, like we use CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and you know HTML, XML are both in your slips, so that we are discussing. So again, I am repeating, we can design website with the help of software, and second, we can design our website by using number of website designing languages. So jump to next topic. Next one is what is tag and attribute. Just you look at this notice board here. This sheet is tagged with the help of this pin. Okay, this pin has tagged this sheet. In the same way, your website is a kind of notice board where you tag your pictures, your audio, your video, or number of other things with the help of special words, special keywords. And these special keywords are enclosed in a angle brackets, right? So like a special keyword, we have a like a body. It is a one special keyword. Next we have a like your head. These all are special keywords, right? So all the tags are special keywords. Now what is attribute? Attribute, before understanding attribute, I give you one example, like this is a chair. Simple sentence. And second, I say this is a red chair. Here, red is a attribute of a chair. Mean to say it gives us extra information about chair. So any value, anything that give us extra information, extra knowledge of a tag of any article is called attribute. Okay, see here definition. These words add more features in a tag. It is a modifier of a tag. Right? Take example of this image tag. This image tag has an attribute like a border, source from where you are getting your image, size means size of your picture, alignment. Alignment mean to say where you want to place your picture on your left side of your web page, center or right side of your web page. Okay, that is called alignment. So I think you have understood what does mean by tag and attribute. Now let us move to next topic, which is our HTML element. HTML element. When we talk about the HTML element, we have a two type of HTML element. First one is container element, second one is empty element. Container element, just see here this picture. Here we have one container which help us to contain anything. Okay, so in a container element we have an initial tag which is enclosed inside an angle bracket. Next we have a empty tag. Next we have a end tag. A tag which has a slash is called end tag. So a tag, a element which has an initial tag as well as an end tag, that is called container tag, because we contain anything inside this container tag. It could be text, it could be image, it could be video or anything else. Okay, that's why it is called container tag. uh, Here this body tag is a container tag. Next one is an empty tag, this one, HR, horizontal row. It is a container tag because it has only initial tag. You don't see here anything, you don't see any end tag here. So a tag which has only initial tag and no end tag is called empty tag. Understood? HTML element has two type of elements, container element and empty element. And next thing I want to add here, that is your HTML is a case sensitive language. Case sensitive mean to say if you are writing in somewhere in a small letter and same in a small letter, so it makes difference. So I think you have understood what does mean by HTML element. Now next to jump to next topic, which is your HTML document structure. Just look at this picture. This picture has two parts. First one is head, the second one is your body. Understood? In the same way, in a HTML language, we have the two part like this one. This one is called head part. This is your HTML program that we always write when we develop web page. And this one, this bottom part is called body tag. Okay, and inside this body tag, we write what type of web page we want to design. Okay, so again repeating, when we talk about HTML document has a two part, head part and a body part. So move to next point. So next is a quiz. Before going to quiz, I want to recapitulate all the points that we have discussed. First one is your HTML tag, a special keyword enclosed inside angle bracket is called tag. Attribute, extra information giving characters are called your attribute. Next we discussed HTML element. We have two type of HTML element, container element and a empty element. Next we discussed your software which help us to design website. Next we discussed number of languages which help us to design. Okay, so and next we discussed HTML document has a two structure, heads and body. So let us start quiz. Your first question is how many part HTML document has? Just think over it, and if you say it has a two part, you are right. HTML document has two parts. First one is called head and second one is called body. Come to second question. Which HTML element has initial and end tag? And if you say it is container element, you are absolutely right. Container element has initial tag and end tag. Come to third question. Which element has only initial tag? Think over it. If you saying empty element, you are absolutely right. HTML element which has a only initial tag is called empty element. Come to next. What is the modifier of HTML tag? Modifier that give extra information about a tag. If you're thinking about your answer attribute, you are absolutely right. Last question. Which language is case sensitive? And don't think about it. It is nothing else, just your one language that is called HTML. So my dear student, we have covered all the basic concept about HTML. So move to next point. Next we have a surprise. And the question is, what is the shortcut to reverse, to reverse, pause and forward your YouTube videos? Just think over it, how we can reverse, forward and pause our YouTube videos. So your answer is, for reverse, you can use J keyword. To pause, you can use K keyword. If you wanna forward your video, you can press K. You can press L keyword. So move to next. Next is your third tutorial. In third tutorial, you are going to learn body tag and its attribute. It's a very important. Now we are just reaching to the very crucial point of your HTML. Second, we have a comment tag. Next, we have a quiz, and there is one more surprise for you. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you want to support this channel, just like it and subscribe it. Thank you very much.